learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and this is a fresh new month, and we got a fresh new topic, and it's something that we got to do every day, and that is we got to eat. 每天是不是都要吃饭？
错。
对，那最好还可以跟朋友们一起吃饭。
最好。
哈哈，所以我们这个月的主题呢，就是要找人一起去吃饭啦。
Okay.
This month's theme is let's go grab something to eat together, or let's have a meal together. 一起吃饭吧。
共下來去食飯啦。
共下來去食飯啦。哦，共下就一起嗎？共下 that means together. 吃飯。
吃飯就是吃飯咯。
Eat some rice or eat a meal. Okay, let's say we're at work and we have to do some overtime, and so you would ask your colleague to see if you want to have a meal together after work. 其實上班同事常常聯絡感情的時候，就是吃飯的時候啊。
對。
尤其要加班，大家要共患難的感覺。
沒錯。
So, in today's situation, you're working overtime. You're asking your colleague to go out for dinner later. 所以我们来教大家怎么说。今天我要加班。
今本日我愛加班。
今本日我愛加班。加班就是加班嘛。Okay, that means overtime work. 加班。
那海陸腔的加班叫加班。
加班哦，这要让老板知道我们多加班啊。Different dialect. Yes, for overtime work. 所以今本日就是今天。Today I have to work overtime. 那我的答案，我也是。
是哦，捱咩黑？
捱咩黑？不能太開心哦，捱咩黑啊？
好可憐哦。
That means me too. So let's go have dinner after work.
等下班，共下來去食飯啦。
等下班，共下來去食飯啦。等下班 that means after work. 共下來去食飯啦 that means let's have a meal together, right? So let's go ahead and review the situation one more time. It's all about overtime work and going to have a meal together with your colleague. 今天我要加班。
今本日我愛加班。
今本日我愛加班。所以我也是 me too.
捱咩黑？
捱咩黑？ So why don't we go have a meal together after work, right? 下班呢就一起吃飯吧。
等下班，共下來去食飯啦。
等下班，共下來去食飯啦。所以下班一起吃飯咯。
Okay.
All right, this month's theme is all about having a meal together. 一起吃飯吧。
共下來去食飯啦。
共下來去食飯啦。And there you go. Now you know how to have a meal together after work. Have a good one. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺自細張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.